pula. Mana am satu mana Vanuatu kali berutaki. Kalau meni matin tu Vanuatu, kalau ber satu kena matin tu Fiji. Kalau meni matin tu Tolu. Dei satu kena non di kau non di Vanuatu. Tapi di satu ko, bukan tu Melanesia. Dei satu kena non di Vanuatu, anda bersih ni mataka. Kalau ngata satu kena dari ulu tamu di Cokaristo mana? Hey, Dina, Amdo.
Nakawakalewu Fiji. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup Fiji.
The Honorable Prime Minister Ismail Abdul, the Chairman of the MSG Ministers of Culture and Arts, Honorable John Steele, Vanuatu, Minister for Justice and Community Services, Honorable Aris Henry Leonard, Minister for Culture and Arts, Tourism from Papua New Guinea, members of the New Caledonia delegations, Director Culture from the Solomon Islands, Dennis Marita and the Solomon Island delegation, Director Culture for Vanuatu, Mr. Richard, Vanuatu Government, Director General, MSG Secretariat, Mr. Leonard Loma, MSG Senior Culture and Arts officials, MSG Secretariat officials, Vodafone Vanuatu for sponsoring the event, ladies and gentlemen, and most of all, the people of Vanuatu. First and foremost, Fiji pay the respects to the ancestors, chiefs, and people of this land with which we stand and converge. This year, the festival's theme is Rebuilding My Melanesian for Common Identity, highlighting the importance of Pacific regionalism and cooperation within Melanesia. It is important to teach our young people about our custom and traditional culture. Honorable Minister John Steele, Minister for Justice and Community Services, on behalf of the people of Fiji and the Fijian government and the Fijian delegation at the 7th Melanesian Arts and Culture Festival, may I acknowledge and commend the collaborative effort of the government of Vanuatu. As the 7th MacFest host, we understand that running such event and hosting hundreds of delegations from all our Melanesian countries is not an easy task. To the Melanesian Spearhead Group, MSG, and the MacFest Local Organizing Committee, senior government officials, the Malafatu Council of Chiefs, the liaison officers, stage crew, staff and students of college, drivers, cleaners, and volunteers, I say, Vinaka Vakalebu or Vinaka Tumas. Despite the many challenges the people of Vanuatu had endured with cyclones and earthquakes, with a true Melanesian spirit, you accept the challenge of hosting and have given us a successful and memorial event. As Fiji prepared to host the 2026 MacFest, the government and the people of Vanuatu have certainly raised the standard and will be hard to match. However, I must say it's a true Melanesian spirit. Challenge is accepted. As the people of Melanesia, we are so proud of our identity and the way of life of our people, rich in its culture and diversity, as we come together to showcase during this Festival of Arts and Culture. Fiji's commitment will be manifested in Fiji when we host the 2026 MacFest, and Fiji is ready to host the people of Melanesia. Fiji will need the support of the Melanesian countries, the MSG Secretariat, and the Melanesian people in hosting the 2026 MacFest. The Melanesian Arts and Festival Symposium, Melanesian Music Festival, and the Melanesian Pageant will be consolidated and be made an integral part of the MacFest in 2026 in Fiji, which will be the first and incorporated. Our Melanesian forefathers sailed the mighty oceans as they made their ways into our island homes, driven by those passionate and vision of our future. These 2 weeks we have also sailed sky to be here, driven by passion and vision of who we are. On behalf of the Fiji delegation, I say to the people of Vanuatu, Vinaka Tumas for the hospitality, love and generosity. The same we would like to extend to the MSG Director General, his team, and to the wider Melanesian family. Fiji will be waiting for you to welcome and host the 2026 Melanesian Arts and Festival. Vinaka Tumas.